Hey guys, today we're doing another princess series episode. This is the second last one, so today we're doing Cinderella and then the next one will be Snow White and we will be done, which is like crazy. We're running into a little bit of trouble because I have always used Jeffree Star lipsticks for like coloured liners and all that kind of stuff, and then I got rid of it and now I don't have many coloured liners and stuff, so I was like struggling a bit with today. I was like, oh my god, I don't know how I'm going to do this. So we're going to improvise because, but yeah, I haven't had time to get like coloured lines or anything like that. I honestly didn't really think about it until I've gone to, like, I need some and now I don't have any. So we will get there, but I think today we should be fine with improvising. It'll be fine. I'm just going to quickly prime my eyes with the P. Louise base in room 01. But yeah, I think we should still be able to come up with something quite cool today. I feel like Cinderella's quite easy. She's only like yellow and blue, so we should be fine. I think I've got a look in mind. I'm going to do a little bit similar to my Pocahontas one. I'm going to do like a kind of reverse cut crease, if you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just taking a little liner brush, and I'll just get like a really like just a kind of, actually I might do the blue to be honest, because I don't want to like mix the colours. So I'm just going into the Be Perfect Cosmetics palette, the carnival one, and I'll take the soft spot shade, which is this one here, and I'm just going to map out where I want it to like finish, kind of like that, just so so I've got a little bit of a guide. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shade called Make Waves, which is a little bit darker. I'm gonna try and kind of like ombre the two blues. Just need to get a brush. I don't know why it took me so long to think of what it was called, but anyway. I think I'll start with this kind of like packery kind of brush. Alright, so we're going into Make Waves and I'm going to put that like right down the bottom of the eye. She's got like a few varying colours, like a bit of a darker blue and then a little bit of a lighter blue. So alright, and then I'm going to go into the soft spot shade next, which is just a little bit lighter. This eye look honestly shouldn't take too long. And just to make sure I've got it really precise. Okay, so we've got something kind of like that. Oh my god. Sam's texting me, but like, he's sending me like 10 different messages like in a row. Okay. So, I just need to make sure that they're matching. I feel like they need to come up a bit higher because otherwise when I'm like this, you're like, where's your eyelid gone? I just want to have a look at my Pocahontas one and see how far up I brought that. It was kind of like this. I don't know. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to take that soft spot. She also has like kind of white sparkles on her dress in this photo that I'm looking at. So I can probably add something over the top of this, like pigment or something, so it's not so just kind of plain, I guess. I'm gonna take the pigment off this brush and just kind of blend it a little bit around the edges. it's not so harsh. So I think I might take this loose dust by Napoleon Purtis. It's in the shade 21. I don't know if you can still get this or whatever, but it's just like literally just like a white pigment, pretty much. Like a little bit, like a silvery kind of colour. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit of this over the blue, but I just spilt it everywhere, so I need to clean it up. I didn't want to film today, but I was like, no, push yourself. And now it's tested me. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna take a bit of that. I don't want too much because I don't want it to like totally overpower the blue, if you know what I mean. But I will take a little bit. Wow, that looks really nice actually. Okay, I feel like that looks really cute. I really want to be like prepared for Christmas this year, and I honestly want to start buying my Christmas presents now, but I know if I started to buy people's Christmas presents now that I would not be able to keep the secret until Christmas, so I can't do that. Okay, that's cute, I like that. Alright, now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this Colourpop Jelly Bunch Shadow. This is the closest thing I have to like a yellow liner. It's in the shade Early Birdie, and I'm going to use this as liner. Hopefully it works out how I'm envisioning it. Alright, I've got to give it a bit of a mix because it's, you know, seen better days, but I might actually kind of like, I'm going to like wet my brush, or like wet this liner brush, and then see if that kind of helps it. Oops, I just sprayed some setting spray and that's what. Alright, let's go. It might not be prominent enough to do what I need it to. If I can get this to work, it'll look really, really good. Okay. I feel like you can't really see it. It does look really cool though when it's close up, like. But yeah, I just wish you could, like it was a little bit brighter or something. Like it does look really cool. It's just a little bit hard to see, but anyway. I've just sprayed like a little pile of setting spray on my palette, and then I'm just using that to wet the brush to kind of liquefy this a bit more. Oh, I think this looks so cute. And then like I accidentally got some on my inner corner there, but it actually looks cute, so I'm gonna like put some on my inner corner as well. Okay, let's clean it up and see if it'll look a little bit nicer, because at the moment it's a little bit of a mess, but I'm sure we can get it to look better when we clean it up. So I'm just gonna take some cotton tips and use that. Oh my god, I brought that up so high. Right, I'm just gonna fix up the edge of the like yellow liner or gold liner or whatever with just to make it like super straight, you know. I could line the actual like this part. Oh god, it's not cooperating over this side. It's just turning green. That's not good. Oh, I feel like that's as good as I'm gonna get it. But anyway, alright, I'm gonna go off camera now. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. Now that I've got lashes on and everything, I feel like I really like it. It's not the best look I've ever done, but it's definitely not the worst, and I'm pretty impressed. So this is how it looks. I feel like we did well for not having any coloured liner. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments. Yeah, I can't believe we have one more princess and then we're done. Comment below what other series you guys want to see me do, because I'm like lost now. I'm like, oh my god. I feel like this series has taken so long that now I'm like, I don't really know what to do with myself when it's over. But anyway, we can start a new one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!